So today, we're doing something a little different. We're not digging through an article or some dense data set. Nope. Our entire investigation, it's all based on this single image. It's called Linoré, and it's being presented as a vision of the future. Our job is to figure out if that's just a cool-sounding name, or if we're looking at a genuine blueprint for what's coming next.
I mean, what are we even looking at here? On one hand, it kind of looks like a real top-secret data center. But then you've got these graphics and the whole vibe. It feels like concept art for a huge sci-fi movie. So is this a real place? Is it fake? Or, as the slide asks, is this the heart of the next tech revolution? That's the mystery we're going to solve together.
So let's treat this like a proper visual investigation. This image is our artifact, like it's been dropped here from the near future. We're going to be the digital archaeologists, and our job is to figure out exactly what it all means, one piece at a time.
And that's what makes this so much fun. We don't have an article to hold our hand. Every single clue we find has to be pulled directly from the pixels right here on the screen. It's pure visual deconstruction. So let's get started.
All right, so where do we begin? Well, with any good mystery, you follow the biggest clue first. And in our case, it's that name, written right in the center of the image. Let's crack it. Linoré.
There it is, right in the middle. Linoré AI hybrid supercomputer. Now, this isn't just a cool-sounding name. It's basically a mission statement. It's a technical spec that gives us our entire roadmap for figuring out what this machine is all about.
So here's the plan, and it's pretty simple. We're going to take that title and break it down word by word. Each part is going to reveal a completely different layer of what this incredible machine is supposed to be. That name gives us three really distinct, really powerful ideas that make up the engine of this whole system. Let's break down each one. Okay, first up, supercomputer. This is our starting point. Think about it this way. If your laptop is a car, a supercomputer is a full-on rocket ship. It's built for problems that are just way too massive for normal computers. We're talking things like modeling climate change or even simulating how a galaxy is born. So we have our rocket ship. Now we add AI, artificial intelligence. What does that mean? It means the rocket ship now has a pilot. It's not just following commands that have been pre-written for it. It's designed to actually learn from data, see patterns, and make its own decisions. That turns it from just a powerful tool into a potential partner in discovery. And finally, hybrid. And honestly, this might be the most important word of them all. It's telling us that Linoré isn't just one type of machine. It's a fusion. It's a system that's designed to take the very best parts of different technologies and weave them together to create something totally new and way more powerful.
So let's put it all together, right? Linoré is a machine with the raw, brute force power of a supercomputer, the learning ability of an advanced AI, and a hybrid design that pulls in multiple technologies. This isn't just about being a faster computer. This represents a complete change in how a machine can actually think.
But hold on, our investigation is not over yet. The name gave us the big picture, but the real secrets, those are always in the details. So let's zoom in on those little monitors inside the image and see what other clues we can find. Okay, zooming in, and there it is, our first clue on one of the monitors, neural processing. Now, this isn't just some random tech speak. This is a huge clue about how the AI in Linoré actually works.
Neural processing. It means exactly what it sounds like. The system is modeled on the human brain. So instead of following strict lines of code, it learns by finding patterns in enormous amounts of data, kind of like how you and I learn from experience. This is the engine that drives its intelligence.
And then, on another screen, we find our next clue, quantum efficiency. This phrase points us right back to the hybrid part of the name, and it gives us a major hint about where Linoré gets its incredible power.
Now, this probably doesn't mean it's a full-blown quantum computer. Think of it more like a race car that uses a special kind of fuel. Quantum efficiency suggests it's using principles from quantum mechanics to get this insane speed boost, letting it solve problems that are basically impossible for today's supercomputers. This is the other half of that hybrid engine, brain-like learning, supercharged with quantum-inspired power. Okay, we've gathered our clues, we've taken apart the name, we've analyzed the little details on the screens. Now it's time to put all the pieces together and see the complete vision of what the Linoré supercomputer really is. So here it is, the whole picture. Linoré is a supercomputer that thinks like a brain because of its neural processing. It's a hybrid system that gets its unbelievable speed from combining normal computing with quantum-inspired tech. A machine like this isn't for running your spreadsheets faster. It's for designing brand new medicines, discovering new materials. It's for solving the kinds of problems that are completely beyond our reach right now. And that brings us full circle, right back to the image where we started. But it looks different now, doesn't it? It's not a mystery anymore. It's a blueprint. We can see the server racks for the classical parts, that glowing core representing the quantum and neural processing, and the name that ties it all together. We've decoded it.
And that leaves us with one last thought. We started with this mysterious picture, and we've decoded it into a really powerful concept. So for a machine like Linoré, one that combines brain-like learning with quantum-level power, is actually on the horizon. What are the most important questions we should be asking ourselves about the future it's going to create?